When you have a large sum like 1 crore, it's important to choose the right investment strategies to maximize your returns while minimizing the risk. There are several options to consider based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. So let's explore the best investment options for a 1 crore portfolio. Here are 5 great choices for investing 1 crore, okay? This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So we got number 1, equity mutual funds. Investing in diversified mutual funds allows you to tap into the stock market while spreading out the risk. You can expect higher returns over the long term. You got stocks. So if you're comfortable with risk, investing directly in individual stocks of well-established companies can yield higher returns. There's real estate, so basically buying property in high demand areas or developing real estate can provide long-term value growth and rental income. There's also fixed deposits, FDs. So for safer, more stable returns, you can invest in a portion of your money in fixed deposits. Though the returns are lower, your principal is secure. And then you have bonds and government securities as well. So for stability and guaranteed returns, bonds are a good option, especially government bonds that are considered low-risk investments. So with 1 crore, you have plenty of options to, diversify and build a balanced portfolio. The key is to align your investments with your goals and your risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.